Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect rollover IRA from 401k to Fidelity, complete guide step by step clearly. To begin the process of connecting your rollover IRA from a 401k to Fidelity, start by gathering all necessary documents related to your 401k plan. You will need the account information including the account number and the contact details of your current 401k provider. Next, log into your Fidelity account or create one if you don't already have an account. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Transfer or Rollover section on the Fidelity website. Select the option for rolling over a 401k to an IRA. Fidelity will present various options. Choose to create a new IRA if you haven't done so already, or select an existing rollover IRA. Provide details of your current 401k plan, including the name of the employer and account number. Fidelity will give you the option to connect your 401k directly, facilitating a direct rollover. Alternatively, if you prefer to receive a check to deposit, opt for the option to have your 401k provider send a check to you. Make sure to indicate the correct payee as Fidelity, along with your IRA account number to ensure proper deposit. After you have completed the necessary fields, review all the information carefully for accuracy. Once confirmed, submit your rollover request through the Fidelity platform. You may then need to contact your current 401k provider to initiate the transfer process. Follow any additional steps required by your 401k provider for processing the rollover. After initiating the transfer, monitor your IRA account in Fidelity to track the status of the incoming funds. The entire process may take several days to a few weeks depending on the responsiveness of your 401k provider. Finally, once the funds arrive in your Fidelity rollover IRA, review your investment options to make any necessary changes. This concludes the step-by-step guide on connecting your rollover IRA from a 401k to Fidelity. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.